Welcome back to Legislation Daily. Let's now explore the concept of robbery in the UK. Robbery is a severe offence under British law, primarily governed by the Theft Act 1968. The legislation defines robbery as an aggravated form of theft that involves the use or threat of force. Due to its violent nature, robbery is treated more seriously than standard theft and carries heavier penalties. Section 8 of the Theft Act 1968 defines robbery as follows. A person is guilty of robbery if they steal, and immediately before or at the time of doing so, and in order to do so, they use force on any person or put or seek to put any person in fear of being then and they're subjected to force. This definition includes several critical elements. Theft. Robbery requires that a theft has taken place. This means that all the elements of theft, appropriation of property, belonging to another, with dishonest intent to permanently deprive, must be present. Use or threat of force. The distinguishing feature of robbery is the use or threat of force. The force can be minimal, but must be sufficient to overcome the victim's resistance or to compel them to surrender the property. The threat of force must be immediate and must be intended to induce fear of physical harm. Timing. The force or threat of force must occur either immediately before or during the theft. If the force is used after the theft has been completed, it may not qualify as robbery, though it could be charged as a different offence. Purpose of the force. The force must be used in order to steal. If force is used for another purpose, such as during an unrelated altercation, and then theft occurs afterward, it might not constitute robbery. Robbery is classified as an indictable-only offence, meaning it can only be tried in the Crown Court due to its seriousness. The maximum penalty for robbery is life imprisonment, reflecting the gravity of the offence. Sentencing will depend on various factors, including the degree of violence used, the value of the property stolen, and the impact on the victim. Courts may impose harsher sentences if the robbery involves a weapon or results in serious injury. While the Theft Act 1968 addresses basic robbery, certain circumstances can aggravate the offence, leading to more severe charges and penalties. For example, armed robbery, where the offender uses or brandishes a weapon, typically results in much harsher sentencing. Robbery is a serious crime under British law, characterised by the combination of theft and the use or threat of force. Governed by the Theft Act 1968, the offence carries severe penalties, including the possibility of life imprisonment. The law is designed to address the violent nature of robbery and to protect individuals from the fear and harm associated with such crimes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.